If you've been searching for the perfect car, one that blends power, style, and cutting-edge tech, then your search ends right here. The 2026 Lexus IS is back, and it's sharper, smarter, and more thrilling than ever. Whether you're cruising through city streets or carving up canyon roads, this sedan is built to make every drive feel like a personal victory lap. Let's talk design. The new IS keeps its athletic stance but adds a sleeker, more aggressive front fascia, sculpted body lines, and LED lighting that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. It's the kind of car that makes you glance back after parking, and maybe even take a photo. And yes, it still has that unmistakable Lexus grille, now with a more refined edge. Under the hood, Lexus is offering a range of powertrains, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a hybrid option that balances performance with efficiency. Rumors say the V6 might stick around, and there's even talk of a future EV variant. Translation? You've got choices, and none of them are boring. The IS still delivers that rear-wheel drive thrill, with precise handling and enough punch to make your morning commute feel like a track day. Inside, it's a blend of luxury and tech. Expect a redesigned cabin with premium materials, a larger infotainment screen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0 to keep you protected. It's quiet, comfortable, and intuitive, like driving inside a noise-canceling concert hall. Now let's talk fear. You know that creeping doubt when your car feels outdated, disconnected, or just plain dull? The IS crushes that fear with bold styling, modern tech, and a driving experience that makes you feel in control. Whether you're 30 and chasing adrenaline or 70 and chasing refinement, this sedan adapts to your rhythm. And here's a twist. Did you ever think a compact luxury sedan could still offer a CD player in 2026? Lexus did. It's like finding out your favorite vinyl shop also sells NFTs. So, is the 2026 Lexus IS the perfect blend of sport and sophistication? Absolutely. Is it the right car for you? Only one way to find out. Hit that like button, drop a comment with your favorite feature, and subscribe to Carhub for more thrilling reviews and deep dives. Because here, we don't just drive, we decide.